Are your clothes helping you age like fine wine, or just making you look older? Most men don't even realize they're stuck in style habits that add 10 years to their appearance. But don't worry, we're about to break it down. Welcome to the Man's Style Decree, where maturity meets style. If you're ready to sharpen your look this summer, hit that subscribe button. Let's jump into 10 style mistakes that are secretly aging you. Cargo shorts with bulky pockets scream function over form, and not in a flattering way. Their oversized cut and outdated look drag down your entire outfit. Modern alternatives like tailored chino shorts or drawstring linen styles are far more flattering and keep your silhouette sleek. Two, oversized, worn-out t-shirts. That stretched out, faded tee you've had since 2002, it's time to retire it. Oversized or saggy shirts make you look unkempt and older than you are. Instead, opt for a well-fitted tee in high-quality cotton or linen with neutral tones that frame your build. 3. Wearing black shoes with everything black shoes can be overly harsh in casual summer outfits. They weigh down lighter clothing and don't reflect the season's ease. White sneakers, slip-ons, or espadrilles blend seamlessly with summer tones and keep your outfit feeling effortless and modern. 4. Clinging to overly bold patterns. Loud florals or chaotic prints can quickly look dated or juvenile. As you mature, subtlety becomes power. Opt for minimal stripes, small prints, or tonal patterns that add interest without overwhelming your look. 5. Wrinkled, untucked dress shirts. A dress shirt worn untucked with shorts or jeans often looks sloppy, especially if it's wrinkled or too long. Opt for short-sleeve button-downs with curved hems that are designed to be worn untucked and keep your outfit polished. 6. Jeans that are too dark or too baggy. Overly dark or baggy denim looks heavy in summer and adds visual weight. Switch to mid-wash or light-wash slim-fit jeans. Breathable, flattering, and season-appropriate. Seven. Wearing oversized watches or thick leather bands heavy, oversized watches can feel clunky and outdated, especially in warm weather. Opt for slimmer, minimal watches with fabric or mesh bands. Lightweight, elegant, and modern. Eight. Polo shirts with bacon. Necklines, worn-out collars ruin your look instantly. A stretched or curling collar on your polo shirt makes you look careless. Go for structured polos with firm collars and breathable materials like peak cotton or bamboo blends. Nine. Sloppy hair and no sunglasses. Messy, unkempt hair and squinting into the sun? That's an easy age multiplier. A clean summer haircut and a sleek pair of frames give instant edge and presence, plus UV protection. Sticking to grays and blacks. Avoiding color in summer is a missed opportunity. While black slims, it also absorbs heat and can look lifeless. Try sage green, sky blue, soft pink, or terracotta. They freshen your palette and brighten your presence. Style isn't about looking younger, it's about looking your best. When you understand how clothes age you, you take back control. Subscribe now to the Man's Style Decree, and let's keep refining your image, one smart choice at a time.